How to skin a salmon, how to cut it into saku blocks. In this movie, I would like to explain how to cut it into saku blocks, how to debone, and how to clean a salmon that has been filleted into 3 pieces. In general, the bones of a fish are located in the dark flesh part called chiai in Japanese, where the spinal cord existed. However, in the case of salmon, the dark flesh part bones are located a little up from the spinal cord. Remove them well as they exist in about the 2/3 of the fish body. Next, let's cut it into back and belly parts and skin them off. If you want to skin it off by the uchibiki method, make an incision to the tail part, just leaving the skin, and grab the skin with your left hand. The left hand should pull the skin to the right so the skin stays stretched, and stabilize the knife at the shinogi angle and go toward the head. If you would like to know further, please refer to the movie that explains how to fillet a fish into 3 pieces. Skin the belly side the same way. Among fish, salmon has a thick skin which makes the skinning rather easy compared to other fish. After you finish skinning it, cut it into the size that fits the container you want to store it. In general, you measure with your palm, starting from the head side, and cut it into saku of 8 cm length in case you want to use them for sushi. The salmon in this movie, it is cut at 24 cm point, in other words, 3 saku lengths from the head. After you finish cutting, lightly sprinkle salt. By sprinkling salt, you can remove the fishy smell and it will also firm the soft flesh. After leaving it for 15 minutes, rinse off the salt and drips of the fish in stored water. Then, place them onto the wicker work platter to drain, wrap them into a cling film or paper, and store them into the fridge. This is how you cut the salmon into saku blocks and how you skin it. If you would like to know how to cut the salmon and how to make sushi, please check the other movies. Thank you for watching. If you look at the description of this movie, you can find the link that dispatches information regarding sushi, recruitment information, trial lessons, and the homepage of Tokyo Sushi Academy. So please have a look. Subscribe now and receive information regarding the movie's updates. Please press like on our Facebook and other SNS. Thank you for watching.